Hey y'all, today is December 3rd and it is my third installment for 25 Days of Christmas. And you see before you a bowl of water. I am going to attempt to do hydro dipping. I have never done it. This will be my first time. And I'm going to be using a red LA Colors nail polish and a Wet n Wild silver glitter. I do not know if these are going to work. I have no clue. Like I said, I have never done it before. I don't even know if the glitter one will work at all. I have a makeshift drying rack. I have a can with a bottle and a chopstick that I'm going to set it on to dry after it's dipped. Like I said, I have never done the hydro dip. I have, however, done the glitter on the inside. And there's one of my red ones. And I have a beautiful, sparkly, holographic gold. And then I have just a regular green glitter. And then, of course, my favorite is this holographic silver. Isn't that gorgeous? My lighting isn't that great in here today. Let me see if I can get a better look at this one. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. There's that one, and then the holographic gold. Aren't those beautiful? I love them. Anyway, I'm going to do one of the flat ones today because the bowl that I have is not really that deep. I couldn't find my other deep bowl. I don't know where it is. We've moved stuff around and stuff gets gone. Oh, I forgot to get my doggone gloves. Hang on, y'all. Gotta go get my gloves. Okay, y'all. So I got my gloves and I'm going to go ahead and pour in the red. This is a very thin red. Come on. Huh. Oh, all right, all right. Thought it was gonna not do right, but that's pretty good. It's definitely thinning out a lot in the water. Oh, and I chose to do warm water. People say do cold water, warm water, blah, 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 blah. So I just went ahead and did some warm water because my nail polish is pretty cold. Oh no. That is causing my red to separate. And look, that went to the bottom and it's clumping up. That is not good. I guess we're going to go ahead and try to pour some more red in here. It's called hydro dipping. My grandson's looking at me like I'm crazy because he had no idea what I was trying to do. Well, I guess he's kind of right because I don't technically have no idea what I'm trying to do. I didn't bring a toothpick in here to, swirl it around. He said mix it. Look at that. He's smarter than you give him credit for. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and try this the way it is because I kind of like that swirling. Ain't that kind of cute? He agreed. It's kind of cute. Y'all, I am not happy today. My husband's computer quit yesterday. And, oh, come on, I want you to go all the way to the top. And I used his computer to put my saved apparently I can't do this and talk at the same time. I used his computer to, when I upload my videos, I used his computer to save the videos. Now, everything that I did on his computer is lost because it all my stuff was on his computer. I mean, I still have it on YouTube. It's there, you know, but I kind of like to save it on the computer just in case, because you never know what's going to happen. And you know, you run out of room on your mobile devices, even if you have extra storage like the SD cards, you still run out. And now everything that I had on there, you know, I did pretty much everything on his computer because he got me a Chromebook a few years ago, and nothing works on the Chromebook. It truly doesn't. I can't find any programs that I can use to do anything with on the Chromebook. So, of course, his computer was a Windows operating system, and I could do stuff on the Windows operating system. So, all my stuff is gone. I don't know what we're going to do. But anyway, this is what this turns out to look like. Do you like it? I don't really like it. I wish there was more of the glitter on it. But it's got a decent looking pattern. And I think that's okay for my first try. And don't know if you can take this off. Anyway, I was interrupted. This is what this looks like. I don't technically like it. And I do not know if you can actually take this off. I don't know if it will damage the ornament or not. But my grandson said he likes it. So if he likes it, then when it actually completely dries, I will seal it for him and then he can have it. Do you want it? He wants it. So anyway, it's kind of really hard to see what it really looks like. There's a better view. But I think I did okay for my first try. And I don't know if I actually like, well, I guess if I had different colors and a better red and better nail polish, not necessarily better nail polish. Okay, I'm going to set this over on the rack while I talk. If I had different nail polish to get different effects, and see, this is what it looks like with the light shining through it. Let me pick you up and show you. So it's not that bad. It's really not. It's just not what I wanted it to look like. I don't know what I expected it to look like, honestly. But anyway. Ooh. Dang it, I don't want to stay on there now. Okay. I think I have it sit to dry. Anyway, as I was saying, if I had different nail polish, because I went through what I do have, and I didn't have any really Christmassy colors. I have like 3 different glitter types, and then I have that red, and then I have the dark red that I did for Halloween, and I have a blue and a purple. So none of them were technically appropriate other than this red and the silver glitter to actually try to do one. But I was thinking about doing some more of these, and I knew that you could do hydro dipping, and I thought I would go ahead and just give it a try to see what I think about it. I do prefer this method, but doing the polyurethane, you have to pour it in, and then you have to swirl it around, and you have to let it sit and get tacky. I would like doing those a lot better. A tumbler turner, that would help a lot, but I do not have one, and at this point in time, I cannot get one, and so I have to do everything by hand. It's just a kind of a long process when you have to do the polyurethane and, you know, keep it swirled by hand and make sure that it's getting everything covered and letting it get tacky and then putting your glitter in. It's kind of a long process. However, back to the hydro dipping. I think that if I had a different color or different colors, this would have came out a whole lot better, and I would have liked it more. I wish I could show you what it really looks like, because it's kind of, I don't know, it's got a weird pattern. It's got a weird pattern on it, it really does. I brought it outside so you could get a better look. It looks better in the sunlight, even though it's kind of cloudy out here today. It does look better out here, so you can get a better look at it. My grandson likes it. It's not too bad. So I will go ahead and put a coating on this to preserve it for him because he wants it. I want to say thank you all to my subscribers. I've gained a few more. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like the video or like my content, I would appreciate if you share it out to others to help get my channel noticed more. If you have subscribed, thank you so very much. If you haven't, please consider doing that today. And as always, I appreciate each and every comment that I get. Please leave a comment below and tell me if you have done hydro dipping and what types of nail polish you've used and what kind of results you've gotten, to see if different types are better, or if you used cool water or warm water. You know, let me know what your method is, and maybe I can try this again to get better results after I get some different nail polish. Because like I said, this one here, it is very thin. Almost you can actually see through it. I mean, it's very, very thin. This was a bad choice, I believe. As always, thank you again for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, leave me a Christmas emoji of some type. Doesn't matter what it is, as long as it's a Christmas emoji. Thanks again. I will catch you on the next video, and the next installment will be December 4th for the 4th video. Bye, y'all. Catch you later.